guys. Okay, I'm back. So I have some Play-Doh to play. Okay, now it's for a lot more. So that's gonna be a lot more. I don't know. Loading. So the things and that's my beach. So water. Okay, now with nobody here. Got it. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we go to I'm not gonna make boost. I'm gonna make a blue thing. Kind of things. A house. No, not a house. Pink. Okay, now it all mixed up. Here. Now we know we need some yummy brown cherry. Because we don't have any. Oh, we get a orange cherry. Yeah. Okay. We need a bigger one, not a no. Okay. Me right there. You know, we need a little brown. Just brown. The brown. Sticky Play-Doh. And eagle. Okay, now put it in here. See? Whoa. Okay, let's rotate it. We made it into this color. This is so dark. So I put it a little lighter. Just about 3 more. Right. Can I wrap it? Oh, so that's what I need. Okay. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Okay. We made it. E. Okay, now down here. And I think we should try this. And so that I can see you. See? But we need 2 things. Okay, now we have it. Now we should get a little watch. Okay, afraid of it. And now we, of course, have to these 2 too big. Shut. Here it is. Here. Okay. Okay. Now we need eyes. 2 eyes and 2. You know what eyes? This eyes are these 2. I'm fixing. There. Okay, now it's done. We just keep waiting. Okay, bye-bye.